the inside of the pierogies, it's onion, potato, and cheese. I wasn't fully making pierogies that day, but I had time to boil the potatoes and mash it all up, so it's all ready. Now I have to make the pierogi dough, and then roll it out. I'm going to use my dumpling maker, which I've used like 6 times.
Yeah.
But yeah, that'll be. Use that, make the pierogies, then they get boiled, then they get pan fried, and then they're done.
Eggs.
Eggs. These are actually eggs from my mom's chickens.
Yeah. I was gonna call them mom eggs, but that's kind of gross, isn't it?
I'm my mom egg.
Yeah.
I'm my mom's egg. Plus some other ingredients and time. we don't have to talk about it. Ask your parents, kids. Alright, so this is a cold water dough, so need 2 cups of cold water. Now I put some salt and flour.
Roxy thinks she's getting anything else. You just got a huge treat. Both of you. Bless
We
you.
got them some canned wet food for Christmas. As a treat, because we can't bring them to the Christmas celebration, so I took them on a hike, and I got them some delicious food that they scarfed down.
And they got to pick. They will have both, but they got to pick which one first.
I don't think we're projecting. I think they actually do understand and pick. Or if they don't understand, they still know to pick.
Yeah, because you have 2 options, and then they both just kind of went to the one side.
Yeah.
My little Roomba, you don't have to eat off the floor. You don't have to look for scraps. You have a food bowl all the time. All the time. Look, proof. All the time. All the time food. You are not starving. You little Roomba. You bored?
Well, when Dad's in the kitchen, sometimes they get treats, which means when I'm in the kitchen, they hang out and act sad.
You don't have to be.
4, 5, 6.
Oil.
Not the most scientific method, but...
Oil.
Yep. Some olive oil. It said canola or vegetable oil, but we use olive oil instead of all that. We're olive oil purists.
Yeah.
Now the flour.
Flour. Roxy has deflated.
Get it mixed so it's not so tough.
That's only half the flour.
It's only half the flour. 6 cups of flour. This says it's going to make like 30 pierogies. We're going to see. But the recipe I'm going off of says it'll make 36 pierogies.
Next, wait. Get out of the kitchen. Out of the kitchen. Come on. I'm looking for stuff. You scavenger. Nibbling my butt.
Butt nibbles.
She likes to groom us.
This is why I made sure we had an extra bag of flour.
Yeah.
Because between this and the cookies, I've been through this twice. This might be too sticky. Can you throw another half cup of flour in there? There's a cup thing in there. Just throw it in half. I'll get some flour at the bottom here. I gotta work it too.
Half.
Right in the middle there. Yeah. Because it needs to be, I need to be able to roll it out. And right now, it's not there.
Rolling.
So according to how pierogi dough should be, I have messed up this dough slightly because it's not supposed to be this springy. It's not supposed to bounce back like that.
Oh.
Makes it hard to roll it out thin enough. I am a trooper. I'm going to make it work. It's going to be delicious.
What could have been different for our viewers to do theirs?
I don't know. Unfortunately, if I was that good, I would have avoided making that mistake.
Fair enough.
But I do know that it's like, hey, don't work. I think it's if you work the dough too much. I might have
maybe.
kneaded it for too.
You didn't need to knead that much.
It didn't need that much kneading. Boop.
Boop. And you can, of course, do this without a little device. And just do it by hand, but isn't
I
it
like
neat?
my little device. It was a gift.
It's a neat little device.
It was a gift. Oh, I need to start this boiling.
I mean, I could also have tea, but yeah.
I'll make make a little plate of non-boiled pierogies. And they boil till they float, so I'm just going to keep making them. So as I'm working it, this dough is not like...
Stretching.
Yeah, the elasticity is down, so maybe it was just too cold.
Might be.
Maybe neutral water instead of cold water. It looks like I'll have to make another batch of dough because I have a lot more filling than I made dough.
Yeah.
Got pierogies going in the boil.
Boil.
And they should float in like 4 minutes, and then we can get them out. I'm going to do 4 at a time, just not crowded. And I just keep making them in the meantime. Once they're done floating, I scoop them over here and they pan fry. So I'm just getting the butter melted. Meantime, I'll turn up the heat when it's actually time to move them over. But right now, just get the butter liquid so it's quicker to hit proper temperature.
They were lovely.
Just brown them. Get the water out so it doesn't sizzle.
So are they on a fairly low heat?
Yeah. We just want to brown them a little bit. Like that. Yeah, that's probably perfect right there. Just a little buttery crispness.
Nice.
And we'll have some for lunch.
Perogies.
Pierogies. So you're gonna slice the fudge too.
We're eating ours with sour cream. Consume.
Alright, first I'm gonna try without, just to get the full, see how the flavor is. It's really good. Even without sour cream, it's really good.
Alright, good. So rock on.
Rock on. I'm gonna eat this whole thing.